I got sunshine on a cloudy day. Hello, all my beautiful queens, and welcome to another video. If you are new, welcome. If you are not new, hey girl, welcome back. Today we're doing another hair video, and this time this hair video is being brought to you by Aligrace hair. So you're going to be seeing Aligrace hair quite a bit because, as you guys know, my goal is to inspire, uplift, encourage you to live your most true, authentic life, no matter where you are on your journey, whether you're a 2, a 22, or a 32. It does not matter. This is the place for you. You are welcome here. All-inclusive packages are going on over here with Joy Amor. Hello. This is the place to be for you, girl. Now, as you notice, I've been doing a variety of content on my channel. So my goal, in addition to inspiring you and giving you the confidence that you need to be you and all of those wonderful things that we all need from time to time, right? I want to give you a variety of content and resources. Am I ashy, girl? We're not going to pretend like we just going to go with it. We're going to go with it. My goal is to give you a variety of different types of content. So what I want to try to aim to do is to give you a hair video every week, right? A hair video, a complete head to toe look. I want to be able to inspire you to, come on the road with me, do vlogs. I mean, all different types of content, right? So what I really want to do is just give a shout out for all of the queens that come through and consistently watch all of my content. And I also want to reward you guys. So stay tuned and stay locked, because you never know which video is going to be that we unleash the celebrations and rain down on the queen. So stay locked. So anyway, today I have a unit from Aligrace hair, and I really appreciate them sending this to me, because you guys know during the Roro, we were really not able to make contact with the lace girl. The lace was MIA. So I went earlier today and I was at Nidra's. Hey Nidra. And I had her take a look at this particular unit. This is what we were kind of doing, and what we were introduced to was our headband wigs, because really, let's be real, there was a shortage on lace, right? So they couldn't get the lace. So what we needed to do is to have something that was going to be an alternative, and that's where the headband wig came in. Now, me being super old school, to me, this is an example of a half wig, where we used to wear the front of our hair and push it back and then have that natural look. Before we were doing the lace, girl, we was having a good old half wig. And again, it basically just came back. So basically, save your stuff, girl, because what is old will be new again. Okay, so with that being said, Aligrace sent me over a straight wig, okay? We have 180% density. The density is as thick as it is. I have all of the links and all of the information down below in the description box. And you know what? I had some ladies reach out to me, and they asked to be anonymous, which I respect that. But you guys know I've had cancer patients. I have those that are struggling with alopecia. I have those that are just taking different kinds of medications, because how many of us know that depending on what type of medications we take, that has to do with our hair as well, right? So with this particular hair, I really like the hair. You guys know this is different from my hair texture. However, I don't just like to wear straight hair typically. But if I do in the form of a headband wig, I typically like to push it back. So, listen, very simple, girl. It's got headband, right? We've got combs, very short combs, and these are also plastic, not metal combs, so it's not going to dig down and give you a headache or be too tight. This does not have an adjustable strap, okay? And then, again, you have your Velcro in the back that ain't playing no games. You not getting snatched. Wait, dang, for real. This ain't getting snatched, girl. God, oh. Okay, so anyway, I'm just going to slide it on. I'm not going to do a whole bunch of styling. Just keeping it really simple to give you guys a quick look. Okay, girl, so I went ahead and did a little bit of Velcro in the back to make sure that it was secure, semi-secure. And I just wanted to show you just a few things, right? Because listen, girl, this is a quick one. It don't take much explanation. However, for me, to make it look a little bit more for real, I mean, we know it's not for real, but for real, play. I like to push mine back. Now, you don't have to. I talked to you about this before. But for me, sis, I'm going to push it back. Girl, and again, I done went from the shop to home to sitting down to standing up to tell you about this Aligrace hair, girl. This is cute to me. I like it. To me, it is convenient and easy. Now, I'll be honest and like 1,000% honest with you. As you guys who know me know, I do not wear a lot of straight hair. Just because I feel like with straight hair, you really have to be every minute with a brush, every minute with a flat iron, every minute with something. I don't want to be every day with a flat iron, every day with a brush, all day with a brush. That's why I stick to my curly hair, right? I don't want to look like Alfred Woodard in Holiday Heart. I don't want to look like that. And I feel like sometimes the straight hair will give me that. It's giving very much all of the things, but none of them at the same time. But I really believe that this is cute and it's simple and it's versatile. And look, girl, I really have no leave out. This is just what's left over from my braids. Now, as you guys know, I have really healthy edges, but still, right? This is still can be pushed back to the front in all different types of ways. Need I say more? Shout out to Aligrace. This seems like way more than 22 inches to me. Okay, but it's definitely straight. Y'all got a crop top on. I'm trying to behave. I mean, this seemed like more than 22 inches, don't it? Or is that just me? I mean, that's pretty long for a headband wig. But listen, get down below in the comments. Put your hearts up. Put your hearts up for the Aligrace hair. Like I said, you guys, not only am I going to give you clothing, not only am I going to give you vlogs, not only am I going to give you cooking, not only am I going to give you hair, what more do you want, girl? What more do you want from me? What more do you want from me? Beauty is a state of mind, not body. My mind is stuck on gorgeous. Hello. What are you thinking? Let me know down below in the comments. How do you feel about headband wigs? Is it a yay or a nay? For those of you who enjoy the hair content and enjoy me bringing a little bit of sunshine on a cloudy day when it's cold outside, I got the month of May. I guess for all you people who fuss at your children for having ADHD, they're gonna make you millions of dollars one day. I'm just saying. I guess you say, what can make me feel this way, my girl. Talking about my girl,